The story of the Sandbox begins not with architecture, but with memory. For Joshua and Chelsea Jenks, the shores of the Bay of Chaleur in New Brunswick were a landscape of childhood summers, filled with the echoes of family holidays and the salt spray of the Atlantic. When the opportunity arose to build a permanent sanctuary here, the project became more than a construction job. It was an emotional homecoming. The site they chose held a weathered cottage that had finally reached the end of its functional life. Rather than attempting a sentimental renovation, the couple and Peter Braithwaite Studio saw a blank canvas. The goal was to replace the aging structure with something that embodied the concepts of prospect and refuge, a home that could look out boldly at the sea while providing a secure, grounded sense of shelter from the elements. Architecture in the Canadian Maritimes must respect the climate, and the design of the Sandbox does so through a pleasing simplification. The resulting structure is a striking three-story rectangular volume clad in eastern white cedar. To navigate the verticality of the home, a boxy staircase clad in cordon steel wraps around the exterior, leading the eye upward toward the sky. These materials were chosen specifically to age alongside the coastline, with the wood and steel destined to silver and rust until the house blends into the rugged terrain. The construction process itself was a testament to community and collaboration. Leveraging Joshua's background in the industry and deep-rooted local connections, the project became a partnership between the architect, the clients, and regional tradespeople. This humble-budget approach didn't result in a lack of quality. Instead, it fostered a spirit of craftsmanship that ensured the dwelling was both elegant and durable enough to withstand the harsh Atlantic winds. Moving across the threshold, the interior philosophy mirrors the exterior's restraint. The ground floor serves as the heart of the home, where the palette is reduced to the essentials: white birch and raw concrete. These materials create a serene, neutral backdrop that refuses to compete with the main attraction, the panoramic views of the ocean. Large windows act as living canvases, pulling the horizon into the living space and blurring the line between the built environment and the beach. Ascending through the levels, the home maintains its commitment to minimalism. From the tranquil bedroom on the second floor to the expansive rooftop terrace, every inch of the residence is designed to maximize natural light and perspective. For the architect, the beauty of the Sandbox lies in this very discipline. By adhering to a simple form and a rational layout, the team created a compositionally compelling home that serves as a quiet, well-crafted landmark on the edge of the bay.